Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this part, I want to describe you about the communication and networks. So, communication technologies are we are using in everywhere. So, when the computer communication describe a process in which two and more than two devices are connecting with each other and sending and receiving the information, sending and receiving the data and instructions and information over a transmission media via communication devices. So a communication device is basically a hardware capable of transferring item from computer and device to transmission media and vice versa. For example, we can say that communications devices are we are using modem, modulator or demodulator, wireless communication access point, and routers also. So, in wired communications, often use some form of the telephone wired coaxial cables or fiber optics cables. I will describe you after a few lectures. I will describe you in detail about in these medium which we can use. So, in these all are the devices to send communication signal. So, in this manner, wireless communication, which send a signal through the air or space. For example, wireless communications technology includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular radio, which we are using. So in in networks, basically, a network is a collections of computer and devices connected together, often wirelessly via communications devices and transmission media. Networks also allow computer to share resources such as hardware, software, data, and information. Sharing resources save time and money. So that's why we are using networks in these days. Thank you.